So hi everyone and welcome to this wee short tutorial of how to use InShot. And basically what I've done is I've launched the InShot application on my iPad here, and I've imported some footage from my camera roll. So as you can tell, I'm just scrolling here just to show you the 3 clips that I've imported. And what I would generally do when I start doing my clips is to expand the video clips to make it easier to work with, I just pinch the screen just to make the clips bigger. To start off with, I would always start by trimming my video content from start to finish. So, with video content, you might have those awkward pauses at the start and end of the video. So what I'm doing here is just simply showing you how you can trim those clips from the start and to the end. Once I'm happy with trimming my clips, I will then go in and add transitions, and that's that wee white square with the wee line through it. And what I can do is I can just go through the transitions and pick the one that I'm happy with. Once I'm happy, I can just click the tick icon. And what I'm doing here is I'm just clicking on transitions again and just adding it for the second clip as well. So once I'm happy with the size of the clip and the transitions, I would go onto the top bar here and I would adjust the canvas size. So the canvas button allows me to change the ratio of the video content, starting with Instagram square, then Instagram portrait. This is YouTube. And then finally, you've got TikTok or Instagram and Facebook stories. What you can also do with the canvas button is you can change the background of your video content. So what I'm doing here is just showing you the different backgrounds you can have with your video content just to make it a little bit quirkier. But with InShot, they have a set default of the blurred background just to make it look a little bit more professional. Once I'm happy, I'll just click the tick button. And then what I can go in and do is add text. So simply clicking on the T button, I can type in the text that I want to caption my video for. So I'm just simply typing hello here. And to adjust the text, I will then pick the font. So that AA button will allow me to go through all the different text fonts. You can also import your own text as well if you've got set font for clients. Now what I'm doing is I'm just adjusting the colours of the text. So I've just picked purple for the coloured text. You can do a coloured border. You can add a shadow. You can change the colour of your label. I'm just choosing pink here. And you can also adjust the opacity of your text as well. So that's what I'm just showing you there now. Simply click the tick button if you're happy. But you can also add transitions as well. That's an important note. Transitions just make your text look a little bit neater instead of it just coming and appearing on the screen. So I would always recommend adding transitions to your text. Once I'm happy, I can simply just hold in the text and put it to wherever I want, and I can adjust the sizing too. Once I'm happy, I'll just click the tick button. And I'm just adding other text there just for all of my clips. And what I'm doing there is just adjusting where it's going to be positioned on the video content. Once I'm happy with my captions, I can also add stickers on InShot. So for example, like I'm walking my dog here, so I've just chose a dog sticker, and you can simply just drag this into the position of where you want it on the screen, and you can also adjust the size too. Just like with text and video clips, you can also adjust the timing of this sticker. Maybe you want it to appear for 2 seconds or 3 seconds. So once I'm happy with all my editing, I can now look at sound. So I would always recommend having some background music depending on the clip. Because this is kind of like a TikTok style video, I can import any free music on the InShot app. There is some really good tracks there, so I would recommend just having a wee listen to them and picking the ones that you like. Simply just click on the cloud button like I am now and then click use. Then I would simply just hold in the music track and drag it so that it sits well with the video. And what I'm doing here is just simply clicking on the bar, splitting the clip and then deleting the excess music. What I'll also do is click edit, and I can adjust the percentage of the sound of the music. I can also add a fade in option and a fade out option. Just instead of this harsh music just starting in your video automatically, it's nice to add those fade in and fade out motions. So once I'm happy with that, I can also do the record button. This is what I'm using right now, and the record button will allow you to add voiceovers to any of your video content. For example, you're doing like a sped up version of a hair tutorial or a nail tutorial, you can add voiceovers to let clients know what exactly you're doing. With InShot as well, it's kind of similar to Instagram where you can maybe add filters to your video content if needs be. So once I'm happy with that, I can also adjust the volume of the actual video clips. And because I have music on my video, I don't want any of the background noise on my actual video clips appearing too. So I've just adjusted the volume there. What I can also do with longer clips as well, I can adjust the speed to fast or slow. So I'm just showing you the slower option here, and it just gives you that slower video. And then the sped up version, this is good for time lapse even, and it just provides you with that quicker video content. You've also got the option to duplicate your video clips if needs be. So I just basically showed you that and then just simply deleted the clip as it was unnecessary. What you could also do with InShot is rotate your video content. Maybe you have a landscape video that you want portrait, or your camera roll shot it wrong. So it's totally up to you. But yeah, that's basically InShot. That is me, and I hope you like this little tutorial. But basically what I'm doing here is just picking the canvas size again, just to see what I'm happy with, and then I will click save at the end.